everybody! Welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera, and today we're going to be doing a yearly reading for my Taurus friends for 2019. This is going to be a short and sweet video. If you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to keep in touch with when your more in-depth reading for the year will be posted. Go ahead and contact me for a private reading, guys. I do over the phone, Facebook, email, as well as pre-recorded readings. Okay, guys? Alright, so I'm going to pull one from the Rider-Waite deck, one from Messages from the Angels, as well as I'm going to find your spirit animal for the year. Okay, guys? Alright, so let's see what there is that needs to be said to my Taurus friends for 2019. Now, I see 2019 being a great year. There's a lot of things changing globally, guys, okay? Women's rights, as well as there's a lot of stuff going on in politics, okay, around the world. All right, so we have the Eight of Wands, guys. Now, this card resembles swiftness. So there definitely is something, whether it's your career or your love life, that needs to be handled in a quick way, okay? So make your decisions fast. Don't let anything hold you back, okay? Whether it's making your decision on, putting a label on your relationship, maybe it's changing a career, maybe going into school, okay, guys? There's something that you need to change in your life quickly. Perhaps it's a bad habit, whatever it might be. Handle it quickly, okay? With swiftness, all right? I want to see change quickly. All right, so let's do one from the angels too as well. What message is there for my Taurus friends for 2019? A message, some guidance that they might need to continue or to start the year off with. All right, one card. One card for my Taurus. Okay. We have the Magician. Guys, that's a great card to have for the year. You are ready. The resources, you have the resources or the ability to manifest them. Life is magical. I just got goosebumps all over just reading this card. I mean, you have the Eight of Wands as well as the Magician card. Guys, whatever it is that you're trying to gear your life towards, if you find your calling in life, maybe you guys would like to read cards yourselves. Do it now, okay? There is no time like the present, okay? If you guys are actually interested in reading tarot cards, I will be posting my my lessons, my classes on how to read tarot, okay? So stay in touch for that. All right, guys, now this is where it gets exciting. This is where it gets really fun. Your spirit animal, okay? All right, what spirit animal? My Taurus for 2019, some guidance, hone in the abilities of the animal, okay? Whatever it is that they need for 2019, spirit animal. I love these cards. This is from the Wild Unknown Animal Spirit deck. I use these cards all of the time. If you guys get the private reading, you can sure as heck pick whatever deck you want me to read from, okay? Very exciting. All right, so we have the zebra. All right, so we have the energy of the zebra for 2019, guys. Let's see here. I'm going to read from the guidebook. Just get a little direction here on what you might need to hone in as the spirit animal of a zebra. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, a zebra, what? All right, so a zebra is very creative, a visionary. Okay, now I'm going to read this from the book here. Zebras are the most precious of gems. They are young at heart, well cultured, and have an underlying courtesy about life. Being in the company of a zebra personality is not only a delight, but it also opens up our minds. Be prepared. Their magic is potent and contagious. And you may soon find yourself in a faraway land, expanding your world view while having a blast. Zebras also like to contribute to the global health through environmental or volunteer work. This card may be a hint to pack your bags. Woo! All right. When in balance, the zebra is worldly, enthusiastic, fashion forward. When out of balance, jaded, vain, pouty. Okay? To bring into balance, you guys need to go on an epic adventure. Maybe start something creative like art. Okay, you guys, your ruler is Venus, so you guys are very, very creative at heart. Okay, so embrace it. Pick up that paintbrush again, start knitting, sew, whatever it is. Just go to the art museum, go see movies, Taurus. Okay, you need to let that creative outlet go, let it flow. All right, guys, so that pretty much sums it up for your short reading for 2019. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and subscribe, I will be posting a more in-depth reading for 2019 for you guys later on this month. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful year.